Go ahead. Here they're trying to get beanbags, and he's got one. And is it going to land over any of them? And it does. Oh, she's got a beanbag too. There's 4 beanbags. So whoever gets 3 is going to be the winner. Oh, it came back. Oh, you can see one beanbag there. Is there a beanbag there? Nope. Oh, she's got another one. Yeah, the first one there. So, need one more here for the women's side. Oh, wrong one. Got the big one. Oh, nothing there. So they know where one is. Oh, nothing there. Oh, no, can't knock it over. This is to tie it up. This is to win it. Ah, she keeps knocking her over. Okay, could be for the win. Not quite yet. And oh, went the wrong way. Oh, and she knocked it over again. That's all right. There's only 4 of them, so this is either for the tie or for the win. Oh, almost. There's nothing underneath there, so it's just one left.